ATL and I'm ready to go camping. I'm so excited. All I brought on this trip was this backpack. I am the queen of fitting it in a backpack. If it doesn't fit in a backpack, it doesn't need to come on the trip. I did my hair yesterday. I literally washed, blow dried, parted, and braided my hair yesterday. It's not perfect. It's still cute though. I just kept telling myself it doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to be done, because I would have been doing that all day trying to figure out the parts. Plus I'm going camping. I just needed my hair done. I slept the whole flight practically. I woke up at the perfect time while the sun was rising and it was so gorgeous. When you fly, it's a gateway to jumping to a different quantum field of your reality. So that's why traveling is so important and it's so beneficial, because you stay in your same city all the time, around the same people, with the same energies, experiencing the same reality every day. Being that high up, out of a city, out of like the ground on the physical realm, we're above that energetic field. So we don't have as many frequencies interrupting ours in the air. It's more calm and more serene. It allows you to project what you want better and to manifest better. You're actually more creative when you're on a plane as well.
Person trying to grow.
You're very intentional with your energy.
Yay!
Happy birthday! We finally made it.
This ain't how it's supposed to work.
Yeah, I was gonna say y'all gotta do some more connecting.
Oh wait, are we missing something?
Are we? What the picture look like on? Here go this operation manual right here.
I'm gonna just focus on my task.
You said what?
I said I'm gonna just focus on my task right now. Sometimes you gotta walk away from the problem to solve the problem.
Oh shit, you about to fall. So this is what I'll take. Take it out. And then let's just string it all the way through first. Like one by one. Yeah.
Okay, let's put the packs in the ground now. This is harder than it looks.
Let's go.
That was easy. We done been through so much today. Y'all don't even know. Car stopped. Why are there always car problems on camp day? We out here.
Well, 2 times birthday trip,
Hey.
camping edition. They say what's up to the camera.
Hey.
Yo. Let me see the blanket. This is nice.
We getting everything set up right now. So excited. So excited.
Today. I'm worried about this water thing. We thought we was doing something, but
How does it work?
we seen this on TikTok. It's supposed to be like this. Well, you know. And then you wash it and then you flip it up. So once you're done, like a little faucet.
Okay, it's kind of working.
It's leaking. Because you know how they be stubborn and don't want to listen to your ideas.
Literally. How do you feel diving?
I feel good as fuck. How you feel?
I feel amazing. We literally, the car stopped working. Bro.
I don't even want to talk about that.
It's okay, because it's new blessings, but that happened before we got here. And now look at us. We're free. We got the ganja.
I gotta do more than one. When it's cut, when it's like not cut though.
Right. It's about that time. I'm gonna start pouring this up. I can't wait for that color changing fire tonight.
Same. It's always been different. Like, I really appreciate you taking care of Stormy. You know, and happy birthday to you. You know what I'm saying? You turned into what, 24?
24.
24. Kobe.
Yeah.
So, you know what I'm saying? Big ups to you.
I appreciate
You know what I'm
that.
saying? Cheers.
I'm trying not to. I was trying to get offended, but I don't.
Cheers.
That's love.
A whole lot of money, a boat, jet skis,
Hell yeah.
everything is unlimited. That sounds so nice. A morning ride.
That's nothing.
I'll do it. It feels like we're back home. Like, this is peace. Devin, come here and record me for me. We out here. We got the kebabs on the grill. We got some steak and some corn on the cob. I think these kebabs are actually done.
I don't know where the fish is. Dark. Let me do my
This is such a vibe.
Isn't it?
This is our homecoming. Being a human. L'Amour to life.
L'Amour to life.
Because there's more to life with L'Amour to life.
Be careful, babe. That's fire.
I did the same thing. I lit it before I put it in the ground.
Yes.
I know that.
This is how life should be lived.
This one.
And now we in a all cook unit. So all the cooks are in one unit. There's different units, but they're all in one unit.
And y'all then diversify like the work and then go to y'all each.
Yeah, so everybody, so now that we did that before we even got to all cook unit, we still know how to run it already. We know how to do everything. So it's like we really got put on game. Like he really did us the big one for real, but
that's a real leader.
Yeah, like that's what I was saying. He was really teaching us like how to cook, like cut a chicken, like the whole chicken to get like he was teaching us stuff like that for real. So it was different, but it's like we don't really cook from scratch all the time.
Yeah, but it's I guess it's like in case you got went out in the wild. I love how simple things are in nature. It just makes sense. It's inherent. In this society's material world, things don't really make much sense. Things are not as clear. It's disheveled, it's complicated, it takes too long, it's stressful, it's forced. It's forced. Bro, I'm camping again. I thought you wanted to dance. Ooh, ooh. I just wanted to get reacquainted with what we're doing here.
Y'all, let me look at the map.
I've never been camping in Georgia. When I made the decision to come to school out here, one of the reasons I chose this school was because it was in Georgia, and I was like, I can go camping on the weekends with the friends that I make. But that didn't happen when I was in school, honestly. I didn't befriend the kind of people that would go camping. But honestly, me and Davin have been friends for the majority of college, and we're camping. So I guess at the time it just didn't work out, but it's okay. Delayed gratification is the key to success. Oh my God, my battery's about to die on night 1. There's outlets, bro. There's literally an outlet at our campsite, and I didn't bring the charger because I just knew there wasn't gonna be no outlets camping, because real camping, you don't have outlets. You're stuck, you're just dead. You don't need to be doing anything that needs power. Just live, experience, enjoy. So if you don't hear from me again, goodbye. I had a great time. I'm having a great time. I'm living my life. Live yours too. Mwah. Love more to life, because there's always more to life with Love More to Life.
Good eats, great eats.
Okay.
Oh, that's so pretty.
We in the tent. Bro, I started my period this morning.
No babies.
We ain't even worry about that. Right?
Sorry.
We ain't doing all of that. But last time I went camping, I was on my period too. It's honestly kind of like a homecoming.
Doing good. Yeah, hell yeah.
Right.
That's dope.
Yeah, it's a little power bank, so.
Because that was a Christmas gift. This whole little thing.
Ooh, kind of fun.
Okay, Lamore. I need to take a
I like it.
picture.
I don't even know where it is. I'm not tripping. I love not having to look at my phone. And not knowing where it is.
Good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time, but we had a ball.
Let's catch a movie. Then dinner. Tonight's the night. We'll just
Great job, Devin.
and stay. Hey,
They look great.
let's stay
We make such a great team. When we're 70 and having kids, it's gonna be amazing.
Let's stay for a while.
Our first kid at 70. We gonna be 100 at the graduation. Now we're about to make some eggs.
That's like so time. And the sun is right here.
We're kicking our eggs with the sun.
Sunny side up.
God is blessing our food. Give me the seasoning, Gavin.
Take pictures on Sunday night.
And what's the side of that blue cheese?
Let me know how you like your eggs.
What's the name without my page?
I know candy, yeah. It's space once I'm flying up like I'm Django Fett. 35 of shit, fuck them, this will take your breath. We gon' bang your head if you are out.
With your bitch, I made her juggle next. I've been in that field for real and I ain't.
You're not getting it. You're not getting it. You're eating McDonald's. We're eating the food that we just caught and made ourselves.
Literally.
We got chickens.
You can put some on. You gotta change
Yeah. Yeah, maybe ready for one now. Ew. It's just hot as hell.
I learned that bad. I just remembered that.
We done baptized more niggas than a damn reverend. Kappa out.
Good eats.
You want 2 or 3?
Two, please. Thank you.
Let me get the knife real quick.
For real.
So this is how you analyze a pancake.
This is how you analyze a pancake.
Look. So you see this is where you cook it on the top side, you know, the first time we throw it on there so it's crispy. And it's supposed to be cooked right here. And then you throw the syrup on there, like look at this.
You put the syrup in the middle.
I can't even see it.
Cook it,
syrup was in the
cook it while
middle.
you cooking it.
Hell yeah. Like
Now you biting.
now it's
a little
moisture.
syrup pocket.
You know what I'm saying? It's a little syrup pocket on top
Oh,
of
yeah.
the cooked pancake with the
butter, of course.
With the butter. Look how soft it is on top. It's cooked.
It's a cake.
This is
Oh,
cooked.
Yeah, he
It's a hot
don't.
cake.
I don't know.
I don't know if it's his
I said it's a
teaching.
cake. We're packing. Today's the last day. Well, our last hour, really. Hold on.
This one right there. Thank you.
I made this little.
Wow.